Welcome to the animal alphabet. A for alligator, chomp chomp. B for bear, big and fluffy. C for capybara, the super calm and friendly animal. D for dog, woof woof. E for elephant, the giant with a long trunk. F for fox, clever and quick. G for giraffe, tall with a long neck. H for hippo, splish splash in the water. I for iguana, a cool climbing lizard. J for jellyfish, floating in the ocean. K for koala, the cuddly tree hugger. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. Roar! M for monkey, swinging from tree to tree. N for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. O for owl, hoot hoot in the night. P for penguin, waddling on the ice. Q for quail, a tiny bird that loves to run. R for rabbit, hop hop hop. S for snake, slither slither. T for turtle, slow and steady. U for urchin, a spiky sea friend. V for vulture, soaring high in the sky. W for whale, the gentle giant of the ocean. X for X-ray fish, you can see through its body. Y for cat, fluffy and strong. Great job! You've learned your A to Z animals.